picture the last time you were at an IKEA. So IKEA doesn't hide the fact, and I'm assuming everybody's been there or you know somebody who has. You go there, you go through this labyrinth of floors where you can't, there's people everywhere and kids screaming, and you finally find the product that you want. And there's no salesperson there to help you, so you actually have to write down the code yourself because you're going to go to the warehouse and you're going to pick it and pack it yourself. So you go down to the warehouse, you find the little slot that it's in, you get a cart which miraculously doesn't have brakes, which just seems like a massive oversight. You pull the box down, the cart rolls away, so then you pull it back, you get it on there, and then you got to jam it into your car Tetris style because they won't let you take it out to the parking lot, right? So you got to back it in, which is always an adventure. You jam it in, you start driving home, you've got a couple of souvenir injuries, and then the fun begins. Then, this guy's probably about 8 F-bombs in on this, and as soon as he's done with this, what's going to happen? He's going to be like, you know what? We could really use an end table, too. Let's go back. The point is that IKEA doesn't hide any of this. They know that, and consumers know that you're going to go through this whole experience, but in the end, you're going to get modern, Scandinavian design furniture that you're not going to pay a whole lot for that's going to look pretty good in your house. That's why they do it. They say to the world, we're going to be really, really good at this, but we're going to suck at this other stuff. And as long as people are cool with that, we're cool with it. And what ended up happening? This last year is the 8th year in a row that IKEA is the #1 furniture retailer in the world. They kill it with this model. Southwest Airlines, they tell you you're not going to get this, but we're going to be really, really good at this. Progressive Insurance says, hey, we're going to show the prices of our nearest competitors because we want to be transparent. This is the kind of stuff that you can do in your business. I challenge if anybody's got a perfect product or service to come find me because I want to hear about it because that doesn't exist